The Audacity of Hope by Barack Obama. What if you held the power to ignite change, not just in your life, but in the world around you? Imagine a voice that speaks to the hopes we all hold within. A voice that reassures us that no matter how divided or uncertain life may feel, there is always room for connection, unity, and progress. Barack Obama's The Audacity of Hope isn't just a memoir. It's an invitation to dream bigger, act bolder, and believe in the possibility of a better future for everyone. This isn't about politics. It's about the human spirit and how we can apply these principles to our daily lives. Obama begins by sharing stories of his upbringing, struggles, and triumphs. From his days as a young lawyer to his journey as a U.S. Senator, he weaves a narrative of persistence and purpose. But what makes this book truly special is its relatability. Obama's insights are less about policy and more about the universal human experience, the desire to belong, to grow, and to leave a lasting impact. At its core, The Audacity of Hope emphasizes a simple truth. Life isn't about waiting for opportunities to come your way. It's about creating them. Obama challenges us to look beyond our circumstances and see the potential for growth and transformation. He talks about embracing hope, not as blind optimism, but as an active choice to believe in change and take steps toward it. For example, when discussing challenges, Obama reflects on how setbacks are inevitable. But instead of being discouraged, he urges us to view obstacles as lessons. Every failure, he explains, is a stepping stone toward something greater. This mindset doesn't just apply to political ambition, it's a philosophy anyone can adopt. Whether you're chasing a career goal, navigating personal relationships, or simply trying to find purpose in your everyday life, this lesson is invaluable. Another powerful takeaway from the book is the importance of empathy. Obama reminds us that we live in a world where understanding others is often overlooked, yet it's the cornerstone of building meaningful connections. He shares moments where listening, truly listening, helped him bridge divides and find common ground, even with people whose views were vastly different from his own. Imagine what our lives could look like if we approached every disagreement with empathy instead of judgment. One of the most striking aspects of the book is Obama's take on hope itself. To him, hope isn't naive. It's courageous. It's the audacity to believe in better days ahead, even when the present feels overwhelming. Think about your own life. How often do you allow fear or doubt to hold you back? Obama's words serve as a reminder that hope isn't passive. It's a call to action. It's about having the courage to start that new project, reach out to someone you've lost touch with, or take the first step toward a healthier mindset. Throughout the book, Obama's tone is reflective and inspiring. He acknowledges the imperfections of life, both his own and the world's, but he refuses to let those imperfections define the future. Instead, he uses them as fuel for growth. This approach can resonate deeply with anyone facing challenges, reminding us that perfection isn't the goal. Progress is. As the book unfolds, Obama shares moments of vulnerability, times when he doubted himself or felt overwhelmed by the weight of expectations. But he also shares how he overcame those moments through self-awareness, resilience, and leaning on the support of others. His journey is a testament to the idea that success isn't about having all the answers. It's about staying open to learning and growth. As we reach the end of this incredible journey through the audacity of hope, there's one final message that stands out. Your story matters. Just as Obama's journey is filled with lessons of persistence, empathy, and hope, so too is yours. Whether you're at the start of your journey or somewhere in the middle, there's always room to grow, to inspire, and to make a difference. If this summary sparked something within you, a sense of curiosity, motivation, or even hope, then imagine what's waiting for you in the pages of this book. And if you're looking for more inspiration, wisdom, and life-changing insights, make sure to subscribe. Thank you.